Well, how you guys doing? Guess who's back? Shelby. Feels good to be back. Roll these windows up. We'll dive back into this car now since we got her back. Show you guys what's been done and how amazing it really is. All right, guys, stay tuned. Well, would you look at that? As you guys can see, there's no damage. However, I do got a new badge on. I was going to say emblem. Probably the same thing. New badges. I decided to go with the 2020 and up badges for the time being, but I will probably switch back again to my black badges. Don't mind, the car is still dirty. We do have a series coming on this as well, so if you guys are new to the channel or been around for a while, I haven't seen much on this car, it's coming, okay? It's getting there. Remember, guys, it's a little dirty. Still the same car, glass roof, all that stuff. Now, last time we were here, you guys saw that the airbag was out on this car, blowing out and everything else. The car was not totaled, but we did fix it. So that's good. Perfect. It's like brand new. I did add on the louvers now, guys, the Illinois louvers. So in the past videos, you've never seen those. Since the car was getting painted, figured throw in the louvers and get those painted, and then throw them on the car. So we're back. Even, well, better than ever, I guess. I hate the fact that it was still in an accident, though. That's what bothers me. I did get the Euro taillights back on here again. So that's done. When the car was hit, I took those out and put the stock ones back in because I wasn't sure. Even though I was more leaning on the it's okay side. Here's the front. Look like brand new. I had to get a new wheel from England. So this was kind of a pain there in the process of holding up because we found out that the wheel that was hit, we fixed it a little bit, then saw that it was slightly bent. So we couldn't use the old wheel. So I had to order another wheel, and the only place I could find one was England. So here's a wheel from England, and then we got the new tire as well, from Simple Tire. So we got that done, Nitto again, back on the car. We put in welds and stuff like that too as well later on. But for now, yeah, that's one of the things that's kind of a pain to get to in the stripe kit. Don't mind the dirt, I know. I took it out a little bit. Just testing things to make sure everything's good. Stripe kit was a pain to get. Remember, guys, all this was repainted. Everything's basically repainted. So the stripe kit was a pain. We got it. Thanks to Shelby. All this stuff is good. The wheel, that's not Shelby. That was aftermarket. I had to figure out that wheel and find it. Found it on eBay. But like I said, travels from England. But the whole car is looking great. Louvers again on this side. I think it adds a nice little touch of the Illinois look. But it looks amazing. So let's pop this hood. I got the car seats back in there again. That way we can take the kiddos out. So you guys can see. Got the carbon fiber back in here. I did take this out as well. I took out the carbon fiber pieces back there because I wasn't sure. Everything's back in the car now. Different intake on here. Fresh new filter too. If you guys remember the old videos, this one was kind of beat up a little bit. All this stuff is brand new since the car was hit. Might as well. But as you guys can see, everything is great. It's all lined up perfect. But yeah, it's looking good. All brand new fender. I got very lucky that there was no actual frame damage. So we had one little kink in the front here where it bends. Perfect. They fixed that. Then we had a couple issues with the suspension. With the wheel getting hit and pushed back, it kind of nicked a little bit in the back here on the frame. Not frame, but like the body. So we fixed that as well. It wasn't a big deal, but we fixed it anyway. So everything's back to 100%, if not better. Especially with those Illinois louvers. I know some people like them, some people hate them. I'm going to rock them for a while and see what's up. I actually like them. Not too bad. As you can tell, I got them on the 3-valve over here as well. Those louvers. Hey, I bet you guys haven't seen this car in a while, huh? She's still running. So it's nice to have this back. Like I said, the updates for the badges, I believe. I know the louvers are updated. I think that's about it. I did put these back on as well. But yeah. So everything's great. She's doing amazing. Back to 100%, and I love it. So in the meantime, while I'm walking around this car, I'm going to show some pictures of when it was hit, all the way through the process of how we got here. So you guys can understand who are watching the video, the before and after, all the way up to here. So pretty cool. It's nice to have it back, I tell you that. It's nice to get back in this car and feel the power behind it compared to the 3-valve. So I definitely missed that. We are going to be at the La Crosse Center Car Show March 22nd, 23rd, and 24th with the Shelby. So we are going to be down there for the car show, indoor car show. It's the God's Country Racing Association Club. They're putting on the car show. She looking good. She looking good. Very, very good. Also, I'll dive into some other things. Obviously, you guys, I'll put on the estimate too as well on here. The estimate of everything in the said and done in the end. No, I was not liable for those people who like to crack out the Mustang jokes. But I know that when we got the car ready, I was supposed to have it back sooner. Other issues besides the wheel and tire that we ran into was that the spindle knuckle was slightly bent as well, so we had to get a brand new one of those on. Suspension was kind of tweaked a little bit, so we messed with that, got that working. Car is fully aligned, everything's great. So like I said, we are back 100% now. So obviously new front bumper, grille, front splitter, new fender, hood, new intake, all the extra parts on the bottom like the spindle, knuckle, suspension, control arm, wheel, tire, fixed the door, repainted, the stripe kit, I mean the turn signals, the headlight. There's quite a bit on the car we had to get, but she's back. Like I said, man, I'm excited, man. I don't know what to really say to you guys, but I'm just excited. It's back. We're gonna make some content. Now remember, guys, the 82 Regal is coming. I know you guys kind of see this car on the other social medias. The project is coming. Then obviously we got the Cutlass up there. That one's been on a little back order because we're trying to figure out what route to take. And once we start diving into it, we'll have a whole episode and series on this right here as well. So stay tuned to that. Thanks, guys. More content coming. All right, take care.